Johnson, Southwest City, Missouri on July 9, 2020 at 8:52 a.m. Abducted was Samuel Padron, white, male, age 4. Abducted was Genesis Padron, white, female, age 8. Suspect vehicle is a red 2009 Ford Flex bearing Missouri registration RA1J1L. Vehicle lacks